Coming forward, we have the community speech from Magy Kontou. She will be introducing the Google Developer Group of Athens, and she's here with us right now. Magy, how are you?
Hello, Spiros. How are you? I'm very happy to be here with you, and congratulations for the event so far. It's amazing.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the nice words, and we're really happy to have you with us today. We're really excited to hear what you have to say about the Google Developer Group, and we're looking forward to that. So let's start with that, and we'll discuss further later. Okay, so you have the floor.
Thank you, Spiros. So let me share my presentation with you. So let me start with a short intro about myself. My name is Magy Kontou. I'm one of the co-organizers of GDG Athens, an independent tech community supported by Google developers. I have a bachelor in computer science and a master in mobile computing, and the last 5 years I'm working as a lead product and UI UX designer at Simple Labs, which is a mobile app agency in Athens. On my free time, I play video games, especially PC games. I give tech talks and co-organize meetups for the Google Developers Group in Athens and Women Tech Makers initiatives. So GDG, or the Google Developers Group, are tech communities all over the world. When you join a Google Developer Group, you will have the opportunity to meet local developers with similar interest in technology. A GDG meetup event includes talks of a wide range of technical topics, where you can learn new skills through hands-on workshops. The community prides itself on being an inclusive environment where everyone and anyone interested in technology, from beginner developers to experienced professionals, are welcome to join. Fast forward, GDG is a global community of over 1,000 groups in 135 countries, organizing more than 6 or 7,000 events involving 600K developers every year. The aim of being part of a global community is actually to connect, learn, and grow. Meet other local developers and those interested in developer technologies. All are welcome, including those with diverse backgrounds and those from a variety of companies and industries. Learn more about a wide range of technical topics where you can gain new skills through hands-on workshops and in-person trainings. And finally, apply your new learnings and connections to build great products, advance your skills, career, and network. Give back to the community by helping others and learn as well. So there is always a chapter next to you, next to your city. But in case there isn't, please feel free to lead one, become an organizer, join the GDG family all over the world, and make an impact on the community. So let me share with you a small video regarding the GDG family.
The meeting of like-minded people with different challenges, and see how we can all improve when we are together.
Communities can help you ask questions, those questions that maybe you will never get the answer, or you don't know how to ask also in the internet.
Seeing the impact, people who are starting to get jobs, people who are feeling more confident, who come and tell us the things that they are doing, it just warms our hearts.
We started to have parent room 3 years ago, and suddenly there were more people and more women come in. It's a bias that the mother is always home with the kid and the father goes to the conferences. It's the other way around in my home.
You can learn a lot of things from a different person, from different developer. We always need to learn something new.
Like Kotlin, Flutter, we're also starting to pivot toward the web in JavaScript.
Now I'm specializing in using Firebase and Action on Google.
I wouldn't be here if I listen that voice in my head that tells me that I can't do something. So I always said, if you put 100% of yourself in something, at the end it's going to be great.
And that was a glimpse about the GDG family, the global GDG family, and how it's to be part of a global community. So let me make a short introduction about our chapter here in Greece. We have a lot of chapters both in Athens, Thessaloniki, Irakli, Crete. We also have some chapters regarding the Google Cloud technologies. But I'm going to make a short introduction about our chapter, the GDG Athens. GDG Athens started back in 2017, and we are quite active in our tech community. We have more than 1,000 members, and the last 2 years we managed to organize more than 23 in-person meetups covering topics such as Firebase, Android, artificial intelligence, ML tools, Google Cloud, Maps, Angular, and more. We also motivate our community to participate at the study jams and speedruns. And that actually run at the same time across all Europe. Google Cloud study jams are community-run study groups for developers. And on the other hand, Speedrun is a game that contains different labs that you need to complete as fast as you can in order to score points and make your way up to the leaderboard. Each speedrun starts kickoffs with a webinar by a Google trainer or a Google engineer. We mainly have speakers from Greece at our meetups, but the last years we hosted 2 in-person events with speakers from Firebase team who are based in San Francisco, and an ML workshop with a Google engineer from France. From now on and until at least this summer, all our events will go online. This is an opportunity for many and more developers who are not based in Athens or Greece to join us and share their experience as well. And almost a month ago, we organized one of the most impactful tech online events in our community with more than 600 attendees from all around the world. This year, our agenda covered a wide range of tech topics and trends like Kubernetes, Google Cloud, sessions, and AI automations. DevFest last 2020 was a blast. DevFest are community-led developer events hosted by Google Developer Groups, the GDGs, that take place all around the world and are focused on building communities around Google technologies. So as our global community becomes bigger day after day, Google created the new events platform, the gdg.community.dev, where you can find and participate mostly online to all tech events organized by GDG chapters from America to Africa and Europe. With different topics and hundreds of events taking place each day, I'm definitely sure that you will have the opportunity to learn more about new products, programming languages, tools, skills. And an important notice from the beginning of the new year, all the communication with our community will be held via the new platform, the new Google platform, and social media. So please don't forget to follow our chapter at gdgcommunity.dev or on our social accounts on Facebook and LinkedIn as well. So let me tell you more about a great initiative that is actually supported by all GDGs across the globe, the Women Tech Makers program. The Women Tech Makers provide a series of initiatives and programs to deliver resources, scholarships, and research to all global community. We're building a world where all women can thrive in technology. The program started back in 2014, and every year we bring together thousands of women in technology through our events and leadership programs. There's also a chapter here in Greece. If you're interested, please don't hesitate to contact me and learn more about it. It's the Women Tech Makers Greece chapter. So if you are a woman in tech or know a woman interested in the field, please spread the word. You can also learn more about the program at the www.womentechmakers.com and participate at the events as well. But let me share with you a glimpse about how it is to be part of this Women Tech Maker Summit and community.
With the Women Tech Makers program, we're able to build relationships with community leaders that drive diversity and inclusion, and events like this one, we're able to bring them together, give them training. They're able to share the best practices from their region, so others can actually learn from that and grow their own communities.
So the Women Tech Makers program for me is a program that helps to build role models. That's the first thing. It connects people with a passion for diversity and inclusion, but also people that just really, really love to empower others.
Being a Women Tech Maker ambassador means opportunities for you to become bigger than yourself, to empower more girls and women into the field of tech, and to share the spirit.
I've met a lot of people who have inspired me, and a lot of people have said that I've inspired them, and I've never been told that by anybody, so it's very nice to get that.
We have more than 140 ambassadors across all over Europe that make basically a change in their local community.
Yeah, anyone can bring their whole selves to this community. They feel empowered to share whatever they're passionate about. They feel empowered to connect with others, to really make a difference in the world through technology.
So for me, it's all about basically giving everybody a seat at the table. So I feel that I've made a difference by hosting workshops, hosting events, and inviting everybody regardless of whatever background they come from or what skill set or level set they have.
So for me, it's a good opportunity to give back and help other people along the way, as I was helped before.
I'm most proud of all the activities we do with young girls, that we're showing them the path that the technologies and science brings to them, how interesting, inspiring, and encouraging those fields could be for them. And I think that's the biggest reward, to see all those girls after 2 or 3 years taking their great jobs, taking their great careers, and seeing the impact that is very visible.
For me, it's very important being a role model for everyone else, so that there will be not another woman that will have to quit their school that they like and they love because someone told them that they can't, but no one told them that they can do that.
So the I Am Remarkable is also a Google initiative connected strongly with GDGs and the Women Tech Makers program, and aims to empowering women and other unrepresented groups to celebrate their achievements in their workplace and beyond. It is an open initiative for everyone. I Am Remarkable Week is a digital experience open to everyone, featuring virtual talks, online workshops, and confidence-boosting challenges. This year, it will be held between 12 and 19 of November. So if you're interested to join the events in Greece, please visit and register at the events.withgoogle.com/IAR. And last but not least, in case you're still a student, developer student groups are university-based community groups for students interested in Google developer technologies. Students from all undergraduate or graduate programs with an interest in growing as a developer are welcome. By joining a DSC, students grow their knowledge in a peer-to-peer learning environment and build solutions for local businesses and their community. There are 2 chapters here in Greece, the DSC University of Athens and the University of Macedonia. If you're a student interested in organizing events at your university, this is a great initiative to support. So that's all from me. Many thanks for your time and your interest. Please don't forget to follow our chapter at the gdgcommunity.dev platform. We'll be more than delighted to and glad to welcome you to our community. So Spiros, the floor is yours.
Magy, thank you so much for the great presentation of GDG. Really enjoyed it. I think you had so many great things to say about also the women, which is an important topic in technology as well. And here at OpenConf, we're very sensitive, and we want women to empower and bring forward their skill sets and abilities. Yeah, definitely.
Thanks for the support.
So, I mean, you covered everything. It was a great presentation. There's no questions, really. I mean, you know, people...
It means that I made a crafted presentation, and I'm glad about it.
Very good, very well, excellent. So yeah, definitely. So guys and girls, join GDG. It's a great group, and Magy is going to be there to support you all the way. So thank you so much, Magy. We really appreciate your coming here.
Thank you, Spiros, for the kind invitation.